This isn't just a van, this is a time machine on wheels. The 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba arrives with that legendary rounded body, split windshield, massive VW badge, and classic two-tone paint that instantly hits nostalgia. From the first glance, it feels like the old-school Samba reborn, but every curve hides modern thinking designed for today's roads. Look closer and the exterior tells a deeper story. Round LED headlights keep the vintage soul alive while delivering sharp modern lighting. Chrome bumpers, steel wheels with retro hubcaps, and panoramic side windows give it that pure collector vibe, while the roof skylight windows and fabric sunroof flood the cabin with natural light like no van ever should. Step inside and the magic continues. The interior mixes retro simplicity with modern comfort, featuring a clean dashboard, digital displays hidden behind classic styling, premium materials, and flexible seating. It's designed for road trips, city cruising, and weekend escapes, with smart storage, ambient lighting, and a calm, lounge-like feel. Under the skin, safety and accident protection take center stage. The 2026 T1 Samba is expected to include advanced crash structures, multiple airbags, electronic stability control, collision warning systems, and automatic emergency braking, making it far safer than the original classic ever dreamed of being. Powertrain expectations lean toward an electric setup inspired by VW's modern EV tech. That means smooth acceleration, quiet driving, instant torque, and zero emissions, perfect for urban life and relaxed highway cruising. Charging support and regenerative braking make daily use simple and efficient. Now the big question everyone's waiting for: pricing. While official numbers aren't locked, estimates suggest it could start in the premium lifestyle EV range, likely higher than standard vans but justified by its iconic design, limited production feel, and modern technology packed inside. But here's where it gets even more exciting. This van isn't built just to be driven, it's built to be lived in. The wide glass area creates a moving panoramic lounge, the seating layout encourages conversation, and every ride feels slow, calm, and cinematic, like the road itself is part of the experience. The 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba isn't just a vehicle, it's an emotion, a statement, and a rolling piece of history made future-ready. It's for people who don't chase speed, they chase stories. And once this van hits the streets, one thing is guaranteed: everyone will stop, stare, and remember it.